Okay, so recently renovated building, but it's still original, and I can see it's been a bit modernized. Yeah, we'll do it first. Yeah, check my hand, I think I'm going to get episode 4. Why not? Yeah, this building was renovated. I thought they were pulling this down, but it's nice they didn't, because like this stuff is. Hey Dad, you wait over there, okay? You wait here, okay? Okay, medicines. Let's see. Yeah, this is well, yeah, the stuff isn't busy, just I do want to. Here is the lift. No chime. This used to be an old lift before it was modernized, probably like where you go to this, I think. Go to 4. Yeah, heavily modded, that's bad. Yeah, indicators are a bit burnt out. It used to be an OTIS before it was modernized by OTIS, I think. Okay, 4. Ooh! And yeah, that's being renovated, so we won't get out. Yeah, still being renovated. How interesting. Make sure you can tell, because that's definitely not. We got ground. Yeah, this used to be in probably a way what else before. OTIS modernized it with OTIS mod logic. I don't know which one's better saying it. And does it have a chime? No, it doesn't. That's it.